What's up, guys? I just wanted to do another quick video. This is my dad's Mini. It's pretty cool. It's a 2009 R56 Cooper S, so turbocharged model instead of the supercharged. Let's do a quick walk around. Sorry for my hand, not very good at this yet. So it's cool. It's got some MSR, sorry, not STR wheels. It's on JCW shocks. If you don't know, it's John Cooper Works. That's the highest performance model, similar to like N for BMW or AMG for Mercedes. It's on H&R lowering springs, which kind of super skewed. The front's way lower than the rear, but that's okay. It's pretty much full bolt-on. It's got a Wagner tuning competition intercooler, M7 intake, catless downpipe that I did myself. What else? Oh, M7 charge piping, I believe. Let's take a look. I can't remember. It's been a while. Anyway, in case you're wondering, I work for Mini, so it's actually really nice. He's got a ton of gauges. Takes very good care of it. It's only got like 85,000 miles, right about there. Really, really solid car. I love this thing. It's super fun. The best part, it has a Manic Stage 2 tune, which I know a lot of people get angry about stage doesn't mean anything. Well, so basically stage 2 is full bolt-on and then stock turbo. Stage 3 would be full bolt-on plus aftermarket turbo or JCW turbo. So this one, still stock turbo. It's at about 18 or 19 pounds as far as we can see. The clutch is slipping pretty bad, so that's next on the list of modifications. He's going to be getting a competition clutch. Clutchmasters FX350 is what I'm recommending he get, because you can get a steel flywheel, which gets rid of the stupid dual mass that this thing has. But I'm going to go ahead and put this straight pipe that's over here on it. This is kind of a hacked together straight pipe, but I just wanted to see how loud it would be with no muffler. Currently it has the primary cat in the downpipe removed, the secondary cat in the rear exhaust section removed, and the resonator removed, but retains stock muffler, so it really isn't too terribly loud. But like I said before, the Manic Stage tune, he opted for the burble, so this thing shoots flames and makes lots of awesome turbo noises. So I'm going to throw the straight pipe on real quick and then go for a drive and get the sound clip, see how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. I'm kind of afraid it's going to sound a little farty, but it's whatever. Anyway, before we go, I'm going to show you. So my dad really likes gauges, really likes gauges. So, where's the key? There it is. All right, so, sorry, I accidentally hit the cancel button. So, gauges, lots of them, and they're all Pro Sport. So when you turn it on, ready? It is so loud, and that's not even all of them. He has one more. Right now we have boost, water temp, exhaust temp, and wideband, and he also has oil temperature to add as well. Otherwise, super clean interior. It's a non-sunroof car, which is sweet. Also has limited slip diff, which is really good. So yeah, let's go throw the straight pipe on, and I'll make a sound clip. well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. That's the Mini. Here's the Mini. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I'll try and keep a posted build video with this, and if I do anything else, I'll add it to the channel. Thanks for watching.